Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, Maths of Prep Class.
Students, today we are going to learn and write numbers 26 to 30. Let's start our counting together. So students, look at on page number 25. Look at the first box. So we have some blocks here. Let's count them. 10 blue on the top, 10 red blocks and 6 more. So let's make it 26. So write 2 and 6, 26. Next number is 27. Count the blocks again. 10 plus 10 and 7 more. Let's make 27. Very good, students. Trace 2 and 7, 27. Say with me 27. Now look at the next one, 28. Let's count again blocks. 10 blue blocks, 10 red blocks, and 8 more. Let's make 28. Trace number 2 and 8, 28. Very good, students. Next come is 29. 10, 20, and 9 more blocks. Let's make 29. Say it loud, 29. Now trace 2 and 9, 29. The last number is 30. Count again. 10 blue, 10 green, and 10 red. Let's make 30. 3 and 0. Now trace 3 and 0, 30.